going on, guys? This is Ed over at Champion, back with another vlog. Today, a little different. We're gonna be tinting a commercial building. We're going to a dentist just down the road. That's something we also do, if that's something you guys are interested in doing. I figured I'd just kind of take you guys on today, kind of like a day in the life of what we do. You know, we're not just a tint shop, we kind of do it all. So yeah, I'll be taking you guys along, just waiting for John. He is, you know, his morning coffee came up and, you know, he's struggling in there, but once he's out, we're gonna go down the road, knock it out. Should be an easy job. It's just about, I think, 3-4 windows, and you know, I'll take you guys along and you guys can watch the process. All right, so we made it to the commercial property. We got John over here. He's just getting set up, ready to go. So we're just gonna do these 2 windows here, and then that window right there. Should be a pretty easy process. It's a little dirty. They got a lot going on in there, I believe. Yeah, it's pretty windy too, so it'll be a little tricky, but I think we'll be fine. They got a lot going on in there. They're making a dentist office. This was an old bank before. So yeah, I'll set the camera up and you guys can just watch the install process. Alright, so we just wrapped up.
Thank you.
Just did these 2 windows, blacked them out. Everything looks really good. This is a before and after. So completely blacked out. And we did this one as well. So now we're going to head to another job site. We're going to a dealer just to tint some glass on a Toyota Tundra, I think it was, or Tacoma, one of those 2. And after that, we have some appointments in the shop, and then from there, we'll finish out the day. So I'll take you guys back to the shop. All right, and just like that, we're back, going right to it. We got a Dodge Charger coming in, doing 35 sides and rear. John's already got the pre-cuts going. Next step, we're just gonna clean all the windows, make sure everything's perfect. We're gonna bag all the doors. We always bag the doors on every vehicle we touch to protect all the electronics on the side. And again, just like the other tint, I'm just gonna push you guys up and you can watch John do his magic. So, just a friendly PSA, when you bring your car in, please do not put Armor all over your cards. Like I said earlier, we usually bag all these doors, but this, I mean, you can literally see the shine. It just quite literally won't stick on the cards itself, just because it's so greasy. I mean, John is probably, he's all oiled up, I guess that's what you say. He's all oiled up from the Armor also. We're just gonna take off the cards. You actually kind of have to do that anyways with these cars.
Yeah, but now we're gonna take it off because it's ridiculous.
Yeah, so we'll still cover some of this up, and then we'll show you the whole process. All right, guys, so we're all finished up. Just finished up. It came out amazing, as you can see on the back glass. I know it's a little hard to see on camera, but it's perfect. I mean, nothing on the defroster lines, which is extremely notorious on, especially on the Dodge Chargers. I mean, John can explain it a little bit to you right now. I mean,
so the way you get this to lay down, Dodge Chargers are notorious for having extra large, thick defrosters. They tend to keep in a lot of air and dirt. You'll end up getting what the industry standard calls as peanuts in the defroster lines. They're large bubbles. We have a 4-part prep method on this specific glass so that your defrosters, and not only that, but this huge dot matrix up here, it's almost 8 inches thick. It's gonna be all uniform. Okay, you see how it lays down, it's all black. This is dried right now. We advanced dried it, so it's going to be absolutely perfect from top to bottom. There's not going to be any bubbles around the defroster line, so this is a classic perfect install for a Dodge Charger.
now, the Ford Explorer, I didn't film that. It was just 2 front windows. We got that in and out pretty fast. You know, still same level of quality. Nothing changes. Right now, I'm just kind of going through our marketing stuff on our leads, getting that done, getting that organized, responding to you guys. So if you go through our websites, you know, you can fill out our form. I'm usually the one who responds. So yeah, just kind of knocking all that stuff out right now. And then we have a Tesla coming in about 15-20 minutes. They're a little challenging, especially that top glass, but you know, it's nothing we don't do. We do Teslas all the time. So I will pick up the camera once they come in. Alright, so beginning of the day, I actually had to head over. There's some things going on here in Charlotte. It's called Streetcar Takeover. It's not like a takeover, it's just an actual drag racing event over at ZMAX. So I'm gonna run some quick errands for John really fast, and then I'll be heading my way down. But just to kind of wrap up this video, taking you guys along, you know, what we do every day. Not every day we do commercial tint or residential, but you kind of see how hectic it gets. This day pretty much flew by like it was nothing. You know, next thing we know, I checked the time in the morning. My morning started around 9 o'clock. We were at the commercial residence until 11:30. After that, we swung over, had a couple appointments. John's finishing Tesla. I might grab some B-roll of that before I head out. But yeah, it definitely gets hectic. It's definitely a stressful thing. You know, we're not just tinting windows. You know, that's what a lot of people think. It's just easy, slapping on a piece of film and, you know, rocking out. Maybe for some shops that might be the case, but for us, we like taking our time. You know, we shave the edges, everything's perfect, looks seamless, looks like factory tint. So that's one of our biggest selling points. Again, we bag all our doors to protect all the electronics. Each car that comes in gets the same amount of care as every other car. You know, it's 100% or nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up. Just gonna get some things at the store for the shop, and then I will be back and see if we're gonna close this vlog here or if I close it at the shop. So yeah.